Mastering math operations. Multiply and divide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of both math and English. Understanding the phrases multiply and divide. These terms are not only crucial in math but also often appear in everyday English conversations. Let's break them down together, ensuring you can confidently use and understand these terms in any context. When we talk about multiplying, we're referring to one of the four fundamental arithmetic operations. To multiply means to increase the number of something or calculate the total of one number added to itself a certain number of times. For example, if you have three groups of 4 apples, multiplying them, 3*4, gives you the total number of apples, which is 12. In everyday English, multiply can also mean to increase significantly in number or amount, like when we say, the number of subscribers has multiplied since we started the channel. On the other hand, dividing is the process of splitting something into equal parts or groups. It's another fundamental operation in mathematics. If you have 12 apples and you divide them into groups of 3 apples, you will have 4 groups. This is represented as 12 divided by 3 equals 4 in math. In everyday language, divide can mean to share or to separate something into parts. For instance, the pie was divided equally among the 4 children. Now, let's see how to use these terms in sentences. Multiply. If you multiply 6 by 7, you get 42. The company's efforts have multiplied its profits over the past year. Divide. Can you divide this cake into 8 equal pieces? The book divides into 3 main sections. Understanding these concepts allows you to follow mathematical discussions and instructions in English more effectively and to express numerical ideas clearly. 1. Associate multiply with growth or increase, and divide with splitting or sharing. 2. Practice with real-life examples, like dividing your snacks or multiplying ingredients in a recipe. 3. Use visual aids, such as pie charts or objects, to get a tangible sense of these operations. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has helped clarify the meanings of multiply and divide, and shown you how these terms are used in both mathematical and everyday English contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll find these concepts becoming a natural part of your English vocabulary. See you in our next video.